Alright guys, this Friday is Throtl's merch drop. We've got a ton of new gear, like this new hoodie. We've got 2 new shirts, we got a whole bunch of posters, and we've restocked everything on the site. Now this is your last chance to get entered to win our 2020 StreetHunter Supra, because the sweepstakes is ending at the end of September. So hop on over to the site. Every dollar you spend is an entry to win. Remember to set your alarms this Friday at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, because that's when all the new gear hits the site.
Great, man.
The back one?
What's up, motherfucker? Hey!
What up?
I got some cabron for you.
What's up with this one?
Huh? Ooh, the carbon tips from the Magna Flow. You know what I think? I think today's an apron day. So I'm just drawing a line on here so that when I put the new, I actually drew a line that's in line with this rivet, assuming the new tip also has a rivet in the same exact location from manufacturing process. I assume they're the same. So once I cut this off, I can align this rivet with this line, and I know that it's clocked. It'll just help get it really close. I can tack it in place, and then we can finish weld it after the fact. So this is a tool I kind of always secretly wanted and never bought, but we do a lot of exhaust systems now that we've partnered with MagnaFlow, so we're doing a lot of installs here. And this thing, what it does is it actually pushes the isolator off of the stud. The studs usually have a big tip on them. This actually supports the back of the exhaust hanger and pushes on the metal part and basically just pries it off. So you can see it's gonna push that out. Well, oh, it's gonna not push that out. There we go. There we go. That's what it does. Boom. So now we can take this off. So today we're gonna go ahead and kick it off with a few parts that we still need to put on the car before we do the final photos and shots of this car. We've got a brand new MagnaFlow exhaust tip because this one was previously damaged. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop this one off. We're gonna weld on a new one and it'll be good as new. We've got some other parts as well. We've got a whole slew of Golden Wrench Supply black line performance products here. These are really nice, very well thought out, and looks like billet machine parts. These actually utilize the factory parts, so you're not sacrificing your factory part. These are actually just covers. So This is really cool. It's a GR Super one. It's red, so it kind of goes with the theme of the car. And in this big box that all this stuff is sitting on, we have the final piece of today's puzzle, and that's our APR carbon fiber diffuser. This is actually a really cool part, and it is a bolt-on part, so just something to spice up, add a little more carbon to the exterior of the car. I'm not gonna unbox that right now. You guys are gonna have to wait till the end of this video to see me install this and see how pretty it is. So huge shout out to APR. They've been a great partner for us. Let's get cracking. Sell this on Throttle?
We do.
Nice.
So APR is a new brand that we just added to Throttle. We've been working with APR for a while. You guys probably saw
Ricky's
and
R8.
saw the R8 stuff. We installed their parts on our STI. I mean, everything is always really good quality, but we finally have added them to our website. So if you want to get entries to win our Supra, you actually can buy carbon fiber parts from APR through us, and there you go. Win-win.
What's cool is like, they even made a flange back here that lays flat against the factory diffuser, which is cool. Most carbon fiber companies just leave all that raw, and you get this like edge that digs into what you're applying it to. So that's sick. So it's a negative basically of that. They've already nut certed it, so all we gotta do is drill some holes in our diffuser to mount this. And what is also cool is they have some nice single-sided sticky foam tape on the corners to seal it. I don't know too many aftermarket carbon companies that apply a barrier and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. Instruction manual says cut that thing out. Cut it out! Cut out the fin! Because the fin doesn't fit inside the fin. You guys have seen us do this a million times. I mark the back of the bolts with a little bit of grease, and then we'll slip this over the panel. We'll pull it off, the grease will stay on the panel, that way we know where to drill our holes. Simple stuff, makes life easy.
Nothing to it but to do it.
And now there ain't nothing to it but to do it. Pretty aggressive.
Sick, dude.
I like it.
Carbon always looks good, bro.
Looks cool, dude.
Like diffusers? Do I like it? Put a diffuser on your diffuser.
All the carbon matches the StreetHunter kit perfectly. Very nice. Alright.
We're gonna start mounting up our Golden Wrench Supply Company Blackline Performance covers now. So this is pretty simple stuff. As I showed you guys earlier, it's all mostly 3M taped on. So I'm gonna get me a razor blade. We can start putting these things in. Now I've already wiped this down just like I did the gas cap, so she's ready to go, prepped up. We're gonna match up the arrows on here, which means it's closed and locked down. And just give her, make sure that 3M tape engages. This car is not hot, so I can open this to make sure we've got engagement, and we do. That's good. We got to transfer this module, which is the electronics on it, so it tells the car what gear we're in and stuff. Transfer this over to the Blackline product here, and we can pop this back in. You guys can see the difference in shape. So we're gonna have basically more ability to hit this. We won't miss it potentially, which is kind of cool. And it's a nice looking part. It's aluminum, so why not? All right, well, we've transferred the guts over to the new Blackline paddle. And just putting the screw back in real quick so that we can have a look side by side to show you guys kind of what the differences are here.
I like how it looks like OEM.
It looks pretty OEM, yeah, but there's definitely a lot more. I mean, like down here, there's nothing, right? Like you can't hit anything down here. You can, it actually reaches down. So depending on how you like to hold the steering wheel.
Okay, here we go. That's it, huh?
It's that easy, bro. It's that easy. Literally took us longer to get the airbag out than it did to do the install. So the airbag, we should say, take your time. The airbag has 2 entry points on the side back here with 2 push pins. You just use a flathead screwdriver or something Evan was using, this little flat guy here. Push it in, push the spring clip in, and pop the airbag out. And then literally this is like easier than actually taking the airbag out. So very nice. All right, we're gonna go take this thing for a spin now that all the parts are on. This will be my first drive, actually. I drove TJ's Supra right when he got it. That's the only time I've driven one of these. So this is gonna be a new experience for me, which is pretty cool. So this one's bagged and then has a StreetHunter Widebody kit with the HRE wheels. Looks amazing. Let's go see how it drives. Got the old pop tune on her. All right, this baby's extremely low on gas, so we're gonna run up and fill it up with some premium fuel. And I'm just gonna enjoy the drive nice and leisurely so we don't run out of gas on the way there.
I'm gonna guess 77.91.
77.91?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go 77.92.
You gonna do me like that?
Go over, dude. I'll take the over.
Oh, 59.29?
Not even close. Can I put this thing in manual? Oh yeah. Dude, look at that R32. Gotcha. This thing rips. Holy crap. Second gear. Under the bridge. We got all the parts installed. I just went for my first drive. This thing is amazing. It is way faster than I thought it was and is really rowdy. I'm really excited with the way it's turned out. And what's really awesome is that we're gonna be giving this car away to one of you guys. That's super cool. We love giving back to the car community, and that's our way of doing it, is by doing these sweepstakes. So head on over to throtl.com, get your car parts, get your merchandise orders in, join throtlVIP, because every dollar you spend is 5 entries if you're a VIP member. So it actually pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, guys. I want to be handing one of you the keys to this car. So that's going to wrap it up, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Hit that subscribe button, leave us some thumbs up, and for sure leave us some comments as well. We do read through those. So we'll see you guys in the next one. This is a lot of car. Holy crap. This is way better than I thought it was. Holy crap. Now I know why TJ fell in love with his.
I wasn't kidding.
This thing's legit. Holy crap.
This is nuts to just give this away.
It is pretty fun.
It's pretty cool.
How could you not want this? Seriously.